Here's how to see your password manager in Google. Now open up Google Chrome on your iPhone, Android, or a computer, it doesn't really matter. And from here, you can check two different places. The first one is you're gonna go to google.com and sign into your account. From here, tap on your profile picture at the very top right. And now you'll tap on manage your Google account. Now, from here, you'll be able to see at the very top, myaccount.google.com. If you needed to go directly here, you can just type in myaccount.google.com. Now, from here, I'm going to swipe over and tap on security at the very top. And now from here, all I need to do is scroll down, and towards the bottom is password manager. I can tap on manage passwords from my Google account, and you'll be able to see them all here. However, I have a passphrase turned on so they don't show up on here. If you don't see them on here, you can also just tap on those three dots at the very bottom right. And then at the very top, you can swipe over these icons until you find the key icon, tap on password manager here, and you'll be able to see all of those passwords directly on here to use and copy and see.